Sales with Laverne, Minnesota location.
We're here to talk to you guys about tillage and tillage practices and different tillage tools and things that we have. We've got a 2680H high-speed disc with the spring wheel rolling basket on it. It's something that's not talked about a whole lot or used, so we're going to give this thing a try out here to the demo field and see what it's going to do for us. We also have it with front notch blades and rear notch blades, which isn't a whole lot common, but we're going to give it a try here out the field and see what happens with it. We're also going to talk about 2730 ripper and some other conventional tillage tools. We also have right over here, we've got the 2625 disc. Some of you guys are using this, some of you guys aren't. We're going to give it a shot. We're going to try it on some different residue management things just to see what happens with it and give you guys the option of what's going on with it.
Next thing we're going to do is walk over this 2660 that we've got. A lot of questions this spring when we demoed them, how it's going to work in the fall, what it's going to look like, and what kind of job it's going to do. So we've got this thing set up with true set all the way around. We'll be able to take it out there across some different combine passes and see how it's going to work for residue management and covering everything up. So
we're also going to showcase to you guys how the Commander Pro blades are going to work with sizing residue and managing our residue. This 2660 DT disc is kind of sort of what we kind of call maybe the Swiss Army knife of the tillage world right now, possibly. This thing is going to be able to adjust from 0 to 12 degrees on the fly with the true set capability. We can do all of our adjustments from the cab. We can have presets in the cab. We've got radial tires all the way across this machine. No buy, double rolling basket. We run our rolling basket backwards. This knife edge is going to be rolling backwards to better break up blade compaction. We'll show you guys that when we get to the field. And then our round bar is going to set us up for pitting our trash, and then also in the spring for our seed bed prep.
last piece we got is a 2730 here, and I guess the goal of what we're going to show out here is to be able to show you what tillage piece is going to work with what stock roll options and kind of how that stuff's going to look, so you can kind of have an idea what finish you're going to get out of it when you make them passes. So.
Justin,